Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tithe Show, the show that's keeping it real away from Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it's inspirational. My name is Tithe and I'll be your host. I am here to talk one thing, but one thing only. Actually, nothing. I am doing a microphone test. I'm doing a YouTube channel, and the most thing I've heard so far is that I need to improve my audio quality. And I agree with that. So I'm here now, I'm testing and see if an ordinary headset will give me a better quality than the one I already have. There's no need for me to spend a lot of money trying to upgrade my audio quality if I get the same quality. So you let me know what you think in the comments about the audio you're hearing right now, and hopefully if it's good enough, I would like to know about it. Yo, listen gentlemen, this is your boy Tithe Samuel, checking out the microphone. I have the shotgun radio pointing at me, and I also have, oh man, my cap fell down, man. I gotta get my cap, man. So like I said before, I have a shotgun, no, wait. I have a shotgun mic pointing at me right now, and I also have an ordinary headset attached to my iPhone. So I'm checking out the microphone to see whether the audio being obtained by the radio or the audio from my headset, which one is better. Boys and girls, me waiting on you guys to tell me which one is the best one, man. Yeah, man, I know this one. I don't know why I'm speaking like I'm from Jamaica, because I have an afro hair and a hip hop cap on. So I don't know what me talking about, man. But till next time, boys and girls. And I don't know why I have Chinese talk, man. Yeah, man. I 9 1, man. Adios, boys and girls. Yeah.